Do you want to know how you can download MetaTrader 5 on your PC? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Use Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can download MetaTrader 5 on your PC. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser, go to the search bar and then search for MetaTrader 5. Now, what you need to do is click on this link over here and you can see download MetaTrader 5 for Windows. Tap on it and a file will be downloaded. Go ahead and click open file, allow it and go ahead and click next. Go ahead and install it and you can see that your MetaTrader 5 has been installing on your PC. Now you can sign up for your MQL5 server. So go ahead and click this and then you can sign up for your MQL5 server and you can use MetaTrader 5. So go ahead and click finish and in a while you can notice that MetaTrader 5 has now opened. This was a video on how you can download MetaTrader 5. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.